Ontario's top cop, Julian Fantino, is facing a criminal charge stemming from the Caledonia native land dispute. Al Sweeney was in court today covering the story. Joins us now live with the details. Hi there, Al.
Hi there, Nick. Well, as the courts were closing for the weekend, I was talking with Gary McHale, who's led a number of protests over policing in Caledonia. And what he says has just been confirmed by the Attorney General's Department in Toronto. A Justice of the Peace in Cayuga has issued a summons for OPP Commissioner Julian Fantino. It orders Fantino to appear in court next month on a charge of illegally trying to influence elected officials. It's a criminal charge that could mean 5 years in jail. It was laid and pushed forward by McHale. Now, McHale laid the charge over this email sent by Fantino to the Haldimand County Council 2 years ago, objecting to a councillor's position on the Caledonia land application. Fantino threatened to cancel the OPP's contract to police Haldimand County and said if any officers were injured, he would support them in a lawsuit against the county. McHale calls those illegal threats. Now, there's a long legal trail here. McHale wanted a Justice of the Peace to lay a charge against Fantino. The JP refused, but last week a Superior Court judge ordered the charge to be laid. That process took place this afternoon.
And what Commissioner Fantino was trying to do was say to these elected officials, you will not speak out. You will not express your views, or else I will punish you. And so I think it's a huge issue. We cannot allow our police force or our military in a democracy to believe that they have authority over elected officials.
Now, McHale also received a fax from the province this afternoon. The Attorney General's Department says it's going to take over the prosecution of Fantino. The government says it's required to do that. McHale says that's not required, and he's concerned they could drop the case or withdraw the charges. There's another issue here of a police officer facing criminal charges and whether Fantino can continue to do his job under these circumstances. The provincial government said this afternoon it looks at these cases on an individual basis. It said it would review the Fantino case once the charge was laid. Nick?
That is quite a turn of events. Thanks a lot, Al.